So when I was in class 6th, there used to be 8 periods in a day. Out of those 8 periods, 4 periods were fixed. English, Hindi, Maths, Science. And the other 4 periods keep shuffling every day. Someday it's computer, someday it's environmental studies, someday it's general knowledge and all. And every day I need to check timetable and pick out some books and notebooks one by one and add some other books and notebooks one by one. And it was so frustrating for a lazy boy like me. So what I did, I started keeping all the books in bag and walk like. So one day, one of my friend Nandini came to me and she said, "Why are you taking so much weight on your shoulder? Instead of this, you can make set of books." मैं कहा set of books? मतलब? Then she said, on Monday and Tuesday, they teach these 4 subjects. So make a set of these 4 books and notebooks. And Wednesday and Thursday, they teach these 4 subjects. So make a set of these 4 subjects, books and notebooks, and same with Friday and Saturday. Then you will have 3 presets, and you don't need to every day pick out 4 different subjects, books and notebooks one by one and then replace them by checking timetable. You just need to change 3 presets every 2 days. मैं कहा अच्छा, लड़की स्मार्ट है. And years after, when I started video editing, every time I need to animate a layer, I am adding position in keyframe, then out keyframe, then easing in, easing out, then checking if it is looking good, then again adjusting it. But now I am also smart. What I did, I made presets.
My name is Tarun. Video editing has changed my life, and it can change yours too. You know, Tarun speaks quality, quantity.
So hello everyone, welcome back. This is your class number 11, and in this class we will learn how to make presets. But before that, why should we make presets? Till now you already learned keyframing and easing, and you already started animating stuff. But every time you animate a layer, you repeat the same stuff. You put keyframe on position, then keyframe out on position, then you do ease in, then you do ease out, then adjust it again until it looks good. And same with the green screen. You add ultra key effect and then adjust highlight, shadows, tolerance, pedestal, transparency, and then you get the final result. Basically, you are repeating the same thing which you have done before. But smart people does not repeat same things again and again. Instead of this, they make presets. So you should also make presets. Let's see how we can make presets in Premiere Pro. So here you can see there is a clip of Tarun, a background, a text. ठीक है?
And this is your first assignment.
And this background is coming with this effect. There is this transform effect. There is a position. This keyframe with ease. ठीक है? And the shutter angle is 360. And I like this transition.
First assignment.
I use this most of the time. So what I can do, I can right click here and click on save preset. And I can name it preset 1, position, preset 1. ठीक है? Now here you can see there are 3 options. Scale, anchor to in point, anchor to out point. So selecting the type is very important. Type means how the preset will interpret the effect. Now if you choose anchor to the in point, then it will start from the beginning of your clip. And anchor to out point will stick at the end of your clip. Basically it will count the number of frames that you used between your keyframes. Suppose if you made the effect on 10 frames, then it will add effect on 10 frames only. It doesn't matter if the clip is 5 seconds long or 10 seconds long or 1 hour long. If you select scale type, then it will not count the number of frames. What it will count is length of effect and length of clip. Suppose your clip's length is 20 seconds and you added the keyframe for 10 seconds. And if you put this preset on 10 second clip, then the effect will be for 5 seconds. And if you put this effect on 40 second clip, then the effect will be for 20 seconds. So scale type preset rescale the effect relative to the length of your clip. And of course you can add description, position from top to center smooth. ठीक है? इसको एंकर टू इन पॉइंट कर देते हैं क्योंकि हमारा जो इफेक्ट है उसके हिसाब से एंकर टू इन पॉइंट बेस्ट रहेगा. ओके ठीक है. नाउ वेयर कैन यू फाइंड दिस इफेक्ट? यू विल गो टू इफेक्ट्स. See, you can see it here, or you can search position preset 1 here. Now if I want to put this on this layer maybe, okay, now it's normal. I'll drag this, put it here. Now let's play.
And you learn how to
See,
and you learn how to and you learn how to
so this is how you can add preset and use it again and again and again. It's not limited to this motion section only. You can also add preset to maybe there's a green screen clip over here. See, here's ultra key. So you can also save preset for this. Right click, save preset, ultra key preset. ठीक है, इधर ultra key का preset आ गया है. Now if I drag it here, it works. You can also make presets for audio effects also. Like if I take there is denoise and parametric equalizer. And one more thing, you can save multiple effects in a preset. Like here is denoise, here is parametric equalizer, and I'll press command, select both. You can select two effects by pressing command or control. ठीक है. I'll right click, save preset. See, denoise and para PQ. ठीक है. If I want to put this on here, there is no effect right now. If I drag this and put it here, see, both of them are here. ठीक है. So using presets can save you a lot of time. So the effects you usually add in your edit, you should make presets for them. So I guess that's it for today's lecture. Make presets, don't repeat same thing again and again and again. ठीक है, चलो.